This is a phone case. We'll give you a nice close-up look at what you get for your smartphone. This is the case. It's thin, slim. It's a nice color. It has a metal kickstand that you pull up and it's adjustable. So if you're watching a video on the side like so, you can do so. It has all the ports and the holes for everything that your smartphone is capable of doing. You get this little ID tag. You get this lanyard strap and the case. I'm going to give you some bending of the case, show you how strong it is. It is flexible and it holds its shape. Got a lot of strength over here. And there you go. Beautiful case. Doesn't show fingerprints. Does a nice job indeed. It'll protect your phone from drops, shockproof, and so forth. Just be careful not to drop your phone. You're looking for a case? This would be great for your smartphone, and I hope this product will be right for you. I'll see you on the next video.